The world of cryptocurrency is like the Wild West, fast-paced, full of opportunities, but also riddled with risks. What if I told you that the decisions you make today could determine whether you thrive financially or stay on the sidelines? Stick with me because I'm about to reveal the top 5 cryptocurrencies to buy in 2025, tailored for investors in Pakistan, India, the USA, and Canada. These aren't just tokens, they're your ticket to financial freedom. Let's dive in. Before we start, let's address the elephant in the room. Crypto markets have been through a roller coaster ride, massive highs, crushing lows. But what separates winners from everyone else? Timing and informed decisions. Picture this, it's 2030 and you're living your dream lifestyle, sipping coffee on a beach, thanks to the smart choices you made today. Exciting, right? Now let's set the stage with our first pick. First up, the king of crypto, Bitcoin. Think of it as digital gold. Its limited supply and growing adoption make it a safe haven for long-term investors. Did you know? Over 90% of Bitcoin's total supply has already been mined. Imagine holding a piece of something so scarce. But here's the kicker. Institutions are ramping up their investments in Bitcoin. Don't be the one saying, if only I had bought it back then. Next, we have Ethereum, the backbone of decentralized apps. Remember how smartphones revolutionized communication? Ethereum is doing that for finance, gaming, and more. The upgrade to Ethereum 2.0 is a game changer. Lower fees, faster transactions, and greater sustainability. Picture a future where Ethereum is powering everything from virtual real estate to your favorite online games. It's not just a coin, it's an ecosystem. Polkadot is like the Switzerland of blockchains, creating harmony in a fragmented world. Its ability to connect multiple blockchains and enable seamless communication is revolutionary. Imagine a future where different cryptocurrencies work together effortlessly, making your digital life simpler. DOT is your ticket to this interconnected future. Cardano is not just another blockchain, it's a mission-driven project aiming